We'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com to access Google Calendar on your desktop. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main calendar view. This is where all the action happens. To create a new event, just click on the plus sign or select a specific time slot directly on your calendar. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter all the event details like the title, date, and time. You can also invite guests by adding their email addresses, and they'll receive an invitation. On the right side, you'll find options to add a location, description, or even a video call link if you're planning a virtual meeting. Don't forget to set a notification reminder so you won't miss your event. You can adjust these settings to get a pop-up alert or an email reminder. For recurring events, there's an option to repeat them daily, weekly, or monthly, which saves a lot of time. If you want to color code your events for better organization, click on the color palette next to the event title. Once everything looks good, hit the Save button to add it to your calendar. Google Calendar also lets you view your schedule in different formats like day, week, month, or even a custom view you can set up. If you have multiple calendars, you can manage them from the left sidebar. Just check or uncheck the boxes to show or hide different calendars. This is super helpful if you want to keep work and personal events separate. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.